Installation instructions for the Universal Hardware Light Duty, Passage, Privacy, Keyed Entry, and Storeroom levers. These levers are UL listed, ANSI Grade 2, and ADA compliant, and can be installed on right or left-hand doors between 1 3/8 inches to 2 inches thick, along with an adjustable latch, can be used for a 2 3/8 inch or a 2 3/4 inch back set. Here are the tools required for installation. The lever comes with everything else you will need. Preparing the door. If your door is already prepared, continue on to installation. If not, use the provided template to mark and drill the appropriate holes for your door. Determine the backset needed and adjust the latch, if necessary, by sliding the latch cam to the correct length. Install the latch into the edge of the door. Make sure the angled face of the latch bolt is facing the door jamb. Using 2 of the screws labeled BB, fasten the latch on the door. Do not tighten the screws completely to allow for some leeway when installing the lever. Place the exterior side of the lock body into position, with the spindle going through the square hole of the latch cam. Next, remove the interior lever by inserting the push pin into the hole on the side of the rose, releasing the lever catch, and pull free. Using a flathead screwdriver, separate the interior rose from the mounting plate. Then remove the rose. Slide the interior assembly onto the spindle and push flush against the door. Using the 2 AA mounting screws, tighten the mounting plate. Align the dimples on the rose with the slots on the mounting plate and snap the rose onto the mounting plate. Then, push the lever completely onto the spindle until it locks into place. Test the lever to make sure that the catch is fully engaged. Next, install the strike box and strike onto the door jamb and secure with the 2 remaining BB screws. Finally, fully tighten the latch screws. For locking functions, check that once the door is closed, the deadlocking plunger on the latch should be retracted. For keyed entry models, to remove the cylinder for rekeying, first, have the lever unlocked. Insert the push pin into the hole on the side of the exterior rose and depress the catch. Remove the exterior lever. Remove the cylinder. Once rekeyed, replace the cylinder. Be sure the cylinder housing is fitting securely in the slot on the side of the exterior spindle. Push the exterior lever completely onto the spindle until it locks into place. Your new Universal Hardware Light Duty lever is now ready for use.